Hello friends, today we're going to learn about conditional formatting in Excel. I will show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel and what is the advantages by using conditional formatting in Excel. So let's do it. First, I'm going to copy my raw data. So Control Shift plus bottom arrow, select all the raw data here and press Control plus C in keyboard. So copy it here. I'm going to paste here. Control plus V from my keyboard, and here is my data. So if I going to show a conditional formatting, then I have to use table format. As you know, the table is very useful to analyze this data in Excel. So to make a table in Excel spreadsheet, I have to click anywhere in the data, then press Ctrl plus T from your keyboard. So I am pressing here Ctrl plus T. Here is the dialog box. Then you have to on the tick mark here if the data has the headers. So I have the header in the data, so I am on the tick mark here and press OK. So here is my data in a good shape. Then I am using the conditional formatting from Home tab. So here Home tab, and here is the conditional format. So here is the conditional format, you can see. Then to use the conditional format, first you have to select the data from your table. So I am going to select the data. Here is the black arrow. Here is a black arrow. The data is selected here. Then I will go to the conditional formatting option here. Here is a lot of option here. You can use the option in different condition, in different situation, in different different result to get the different result. So today I'm going to use the top bottom cells and color scales. So I'm first using the top bottom cells. If I want to find out the top 10 item or top 10 selling price, then I have to use the top 10 item condition. I'm just clicking on the top 10 items here. So here's the dialog box that what the color will be on the top 10 items. Okay, the color is light red filled with dark red text. So I'm just pressing here the OK. I'm pressing the OK button. Then I can see here some value is under mark, the red color mark. So those are top 10 value here. So I am going to show you what is the top 10 value. Then just filter the value with this color here. Just click on this. Wow, here is the value, top 10 value of this total data. So I'm just clearing here as a normal way. Then I'm going to use another conditional formatting tools here. You can use the top 10 percentages, bottom 10 items, bottom 10 percentages, average, above average, below average, all function is here. If you need any items or any condition, then you can apply it on the data here. So next I'm going to use the I'm going to use the color scale here. So I'm going to use the second option. The red colors means higher value and uh, green colors means lower value. So, click on it. Here is a lot of color here. You can easily distinguish the what is the largest value and what is the lowest value here. You can see here easily a lot of data here, and you can also see the what is the larger value and what is the smaller value here. So I am zooming in. So if you want to show the top value, then you have to sort it. So sort the value to largest to smallest here. So click on it. Wow, here is the sorting the value, top value to bottom value. So here is the, if we go below, then color will be changed to red to green. So here is the value is lower value, that means the color is green, and green color means lower value, and the color, if the color is red, then the value is higher. So you can use all type here is lot of option is there. There is a data bar, there is a top or bottom rules, and there is a highlight rules. If you want to calculate the higher than the specific value, then you can get the higher value, the lower value. And if you want to use the specific condition, then you can use the conditional formatting to find out the your desired data or desired result. So today I'm going to finish my video here. Then in the next video I will discuss on a different topics. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you later. Thanks a lot.